Today, we're going to take a look at how to use ShiftSense, the AI chatbot integrated with Shift AI. So when you first log in, you're going to want to go to ShiftSense here on the left. Just click on that. And then we're taken to the ShiftSense page. You can see that there's many example prompts here that we can use. We can also enter our own prompts. For example, we could go show vehicle fuel consumption report as a bar chart. I'll let that think for a second. All right, and we can see that it's generated this bar chart here. And if we want more information, it also provides this table that lets us see the more exact information. So we have, we can write our own prompts. We can also download this by clicking the download Excel button, just like that. And we can also choose some of these predefined prompts. For example, if we go, show me all vehicles in the fleet. Let's click this. Let's let it think for a second. And it will provide us with a partial list. If we want the full list, we can just click here where it says View Data Table, and we can see the full list of the vehicle makes, models, plate numbers. Now we also have other options here. So let's do a couple more. Let's do this one. Show vehicles by fuel type as a donut chart. We can see a donut chart of our vehicles by fuel type. So we have 20 gasoline vehicles, 12 diesel vehicles, 2 hybrid vehicles, and 1 electric vehicle. Now we also have different categories here. We're on vehicles and fleet, but we can see that there's multiple of them, trips and tracking, drivers, etc. So if we go, for example, tasks and reports, let's do the geofence report. So if we click on this, let's give it a second. We can see that it generates the geofence report from the last week. It also provides the number of unique geofences entered and exited this week and the total number of events. And also, if you'd like, you can clear the chat history by clicking this button in the bottom right. So if we click that, we can see that our chat history is gone. And that's everything we need to know to use the ShiftSense chatbot in Shift AI.